When we look at a photo, our eye is naturally drawn along the lines. By thinking about how you place lines in your composition, you can affect the way we view the image, pulling us into the picture towards the subject or on a journey through the scene. There are many different types of line: straight, diagonal, curvy, zigzag, radial, etc. And each can be used to enhance our photo's composition. You are looking at this photo now, and you can see how your eye would be pulled right through this picture all the way to the end. This is excellent in a leading line, bringing your eye into the photo. There's many ways that you can achieve this, and some of them are: you can crop for drama, which brings the photo into you and it makes it more dramatic. You could look for value masses, which means you could have a dark side and a light side with different shapes. You could look for design divisions with a rhythm, such as Van Gogh does with the Starry Night. You can keep your shapes interesting. If you have all different kinds of shapes, it keeps your eye attractive. You could avoid attracting attention to the edges of the picture frame. You could create depth by overlaps. You got to watch the corners because you want to create an entrance and have the masses organized, along with orchestrating the masses for good eye movement with gradation. Use straight lines. This works very well. Think foreground, middle ground, and background, and you will have a complete idea how to put the basic composition together, and you will achieve a great picture through this 12 basics of composition.